Greetings there everybody. This is one of the other experiments videos I've been doing. Now where we have where was I with this? Okay, I was gonna go back into the script. Those are the scripts that I've got: the player, the controller, and the health bar, where I fitted the controller, where I fitted the code to work with the health bar was on the top here. Let's go back to the bottom. Where did I put it? Here. No. Yeah, I just commented it out on this one because it was not working with this type of code because it works with sliders. So what I tried to do was to integrate the player and the health bar to work together with the space bar. Every time you press the space bar, although the wheels are spinning, we should try to go on to the brake, but you know it didn't really work internally. So here with the internal status is showing the health bar on there. So where else have we got? So it sort of slides off and makes the health bar smaller and smaller, and set it up from the canvas. Yeah, and there's no errors on here on the console. So this is the vehicle I've built, and let's just move it about to see all the wheels, and those are all the wheels I put into the vehicle, and I took it from this project here, the prefab, which I then added onto there. The health bar I have on the top is what I built up, and this is a whole line of at the bottom there in the assets is a whole line of um, sprites and the code and everything that I built while I was trying to work through this project. Now on the other hand, got the wheels visible from the bottom, but I wanted them to spin and be able to see them. This is what I was trying to do, so that we can actually see what's happening with the health bar on the top. Now the health bar would have this is only one, but I'll probably make one for each wheel or each motor as well, so that they will be labeled on the health bar what is actually happening. See where the health bar is. So as the car will be rolling, the wheels will be rolling as well, and it will be actually telling you how much power has been wasted in each motor. See, yeah, with a bit more. Where am I now? Yeah, that's the prefabs we have here. I took the car from here, and it is this car there, which is up there. That's where I built the whole car from. You'll find that I did not actually freeze the rigid body at this point because I didn't find it falling when I press play. So I didn't think I needed it. But however, if I add more things onto the like a platform or terrain or something like that, I probably need to do all that. But at this point, I don't think I need to at this point here. But in the script, all I done was added the script here, the wheel controller, added the driver, and that called them so that they could be also working integrated together. So what I wanted the wheels to do will respond with that in mind. So let me just spin this out again just to show all the other side of the car. Now we're going to, this is the scene. I needed to try and get set up with the canvas, and I mean setting up the canvas is something that I've done earlier. So let's see, this canvas itself sort of not showing where it is, but this is how I would like, but not only just one bar. I would like to have all those. That's what I'm going to try and do because right now nothing is working, although it has all those. I just need to configure them in the code. So what I can do is, for now, oops, let me go back and see if I can align this view I'm looking at here. Yeah, this view. If I can align it with the camera. Let's align that with the camera. Let's align with view. Let's go again. It's not showing on the game scene at the moment, so I mean on the game window. Let's just see if this will put it in by realigning it. Again, line with view. Or only can see the back of it. But let's play. I'm not sure what the adjustment I need to do on this point, but let's see if I can align this. Where is it? If I can align it, that should be helpful. Yeah, front wheel, and that at least you can view all the four wheels on there. Let's put it into game mode and see what happens. This is what you're basically gonna see if you put it into game mode. So it's sort of gone a bit worse than I anticipated, really. So I'm doing all these adjustments to try and get it to where it's meant to be at this point. Let's see if we do put it into play and what will come up with. Whoa, it's worse because not even wheels now. Yeah, and we're supposed to actually have the wheels there because the driver wheel script is meant to drive those wheels forward. That's what it was doing, and now it's broken. So I got sort of start up everything again. This is what I didn't anticipate, to having to do this again like this. Bearing that in mind, it should be just something that I'll probably need. Okay, let's go back. Let's choose the main camera. Oops, click there on the main camera, then let's realign it again. It's not making much of a change. Let me try to switch those about. See, the bar is now in the center. Bar is in the center here, and it's also blocking that. It can be adjusted, I guess. I'll put to a side. This is something I need to look at, because although I need to see the wheels at the bottom, see them spinning, that's the main thing I need to see with this one. Okay, what I'll probably need then is okay, this is these are the the stages I came through. I developed the wheels and I did all that and left complete the wheels and the motors. Then the simple scene was what normally comes in with the asset. So all the other stuff I've done, put all those wheels in there. So there are all four wheels. You can see it rotating now with my health bar on the top there. That's the main thing I'm trying to get to work together with the wheels, so we can basically simulate what is happening in each wheel with the motors. Kind of a scary situation, but that's the way it is. Let's rotate it again and see what is exactly happening, because it seems to not work out to exactly where I want it to go. Let's go. Let's reline it again. So only can see the front as far as I can see the the main camera, what it's viewing. got a lot to adjust on this main camera thing, because that's supposed to, let's try to make it smaller so we can view all the wheels from here. Move it down slightly. I can see on the main camera it's not gonna show well, isn't it? It's not really moving the car out, it's showing that part. Why? This camera has been a nuisance to me to always adjust it. It's not usually easy for the main camera, but let's go into the code. These are the 3 codes that I put together, integrated them to be able to work together to try and make the bar, the wheels, and the controls work together. So there's still maybe the controls to think about. Okay, right now let's try to adjust the bar if I can, because the health bar, look where it is now. The car is no longer there. If when you adjust, it's even getting bigger, the bar itself. So where is this? Let's move that on move. No, it's not having it. Let's try that. Okay, it's not having it either. It's not moving. Oh, there you go. It moves it. I couldn't move the canvas, but this can move it down a little. So try and put it on the wheel because I want it to indicate on every wheel. It's just an experiment of what is to be done. Let me see if I can anchor it on. Oops, that's the wrong one. Let's go undo this and try to anchor it on that corner. That corner there. Stay there, health bar. And now I'll try to go back into the ideally I would like them much more closer to the wheels, like sort of so you can see, and then each bar will be next to the wheel, you see, and then that way that tells you what power is being wasted inside the wheel. So let's align it with the camera and see what will come up anyway. Oh yeah, at least I can see the back of the car. Not that good when it's in game. And it's in game and it's showing the game. Okay, move it so close. Maybe that'll be something that let's align it first. I think no, maybe put it up. Let's move it out a little and then move it up. So such a lot of fiddling to get it right, which I don't think I'll be able to finish all this right now. Try to do this in the next video because there's a lot of aligning like that. Here I'm putting in this position so you'll be able to see all the wheels spinning, and also next to the wheels I'll put this bar indicating the power losses in every wheel. Or I might put the names of the motor on each health bar, and then from there I can label the wheels, and you'll have a label on top of the health bar. Basically this is something I planned to have done, so we'll just see how well we'll go with it so far and see if this is going to be difficult or not. But with that, we just try our best to get as much out of it, because in here in the game mode it's not doing align. Let's align it again. It's gonna show the back. No, the health bar is not showing now. Need to come back and look into it carefully, because but for now I would then say see you later on the next video. Alright, for now, cheers, thanks for watching.